Fox Business Alert AI is moving from the data center to the drug lab. Amazon Web Services and Novo Nordisk are expanding their partnership to use AI to speed up drug discovery, the latest sign that huge companies are working to turn AI spending into real-world results. In February, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy committed to spend $200 billion on capital expenditures this year alone, with the bulk of it going to AWS, Amazon Web Services, and the targeted bet is paying off. During the second quarter, AWS saw a 37% year-over-year revenue jump to more than $42 billion. AWS CEO Matt Garman is here, Fox Business Exclusive, to tell us where he's seeing the biggest payoff now, and Matt, where future growth might be coming. I want to start with this Novo Nordisk partnership. How exactly will Novo use AWS that's sort of different and new?
Yeah, it's quite exciting actually. We have a deep partnership with them, and Novo has announced that they're kind of all in on AWS, and so they're moving their traditional workloads to the cloud to take advantage of being able to move much more quickly, and they're using AI built on the AWS platform in order to take drug discovery, which historically has taken them about 15 years from discovering of a new drug, bring it all the way to market. And they think that with using AI to get better candidates and to move through the pipeline more quickly, they can actually bring drugs to market in maybe as little as 5 years, which obviously has massive implications for customers out there that are suffering from these diseases and is a huge boon to their business.
I mean, to me, you just pointed out what matters so much. To go from 15, I mean, I've seen drugs take 17 to 18 years from concept to actual getting it on the shelf or prescription ready, and to bring that down to 5 years. What in your greatest hopes and dreams could it really winnow down to?
Yeah, look, I think that there still are things like, doing actual patient trials and things like that that will take time. But, I think that there's opportunity eventually to shrink it even more than that. But part of the idea here is really finding great candidates early on in that pipeline that are more likely to succeed and more likely to be, and as we get more of the data going through that loop, I actually think we'll get better and better results where actually a drug has a very high likelihood of being successful going through that pipeline, and quite optimistic that we can actually help all those folks that are suffering from the various diseases and afflictions that Novo is working on trying to solve.
Yeah, from pharmaceutical partnerships to something like Oracle, which I find really interesting because Oracle has a cloud business as well, but you're actually expanding the alliance with Oracle and AWS. Can you explain how that enables both of you to do well versus cannibalizing one or the other?
Sure. Yeah. So look, when we think about AWS, our customers are really looking to us as their strategic platform. And just like Novo, we have enterprises of all sizes, startups, et cetera, that see AWS as that platform that is really their strategic partner to drive their core business, as well as really leverage AI to expand their business. And Oracle is a key part of what many of our enterprises use. They love the Oracle database. They want to be able to run that together next to where they run the rest of their application. And so not forcing customers to have to choose, but be able to use that Oracle database inside of their AWS environment where they can scale, they can leverage AI, they can use all of the systems and services that AWS provides together with Oracle. And that's really a win for both companies. And it's a win for customers, which is the most important thing.
I know you were watching in the segment before because we talked about it in the commercial break, but this situation of cybersecurity breaches and this horrifying situation with North Korean infiltrators getting inside operations. You guys have an interesting new partnership with OpenAI that involves Amazon's Bedrock, which allows customers to basically run workloads. But OpenAI's cybersecurity models, Daybreak Red and Daybreak Blue, how do they weave into what AWS is doing?
Yeah, so there's a number of things. I think number one, with relation to the North Korean threat, AWS and Amazon has always invested really heavily in internal security. And we think about insider threat really carefully. And that's something that we've been focused on for the last 20 or 30 years to really ensure that our customers can be protected from those. I think that these new models from OpenAI have a real opportunity to help all of our customer base protect themselves from external threats. And part of what we're doing actually is building new services powered by some of these really powerful new models that are coming out from folks like OpenAI. And we have a service called Continuum that allows customers to scan their code, scan third-party sources of code that they use, and find where are the most critical vulnerabilities that they may have. And then we work with them to rapidly patch those before bad guys out there can potentially exploit them. So I think these models have a really great opportunity for us to help our customers really shore up their security. And AWS is a key partner in helping make that happen.
I got to ask you about your chip business because you got a lot on your plate,
Yeah.
Matt. I mean, you've got the Trainium chip, the Graviton chip, and how is that
hmm
business developing? It has also been a growing driver. I mean, it's really
Yeah.
incredible how much money AWS overall is bringing into the Amazon flywheel. But tell me about where the chips stand. You know, how many adoptions are you getting from other companies who want
Yeah.
to use them?
Yeah, look, the chip business for AWS has been a huge strategic win for us, and it's one of the reasons, frankly, why customers choose to run on AWS is this differentiated capabilities. We've long had this view that customers want choice, and part of that choice is delivering the absolute best price performance for any set of workloads. And so with Graviton, which is our core compute chip, that has been a wild success for many years now. And in fact, the vast majority of all of our large customers have started to move their workloads onto Graviton for their core inference work or for their core compute workloads. AI is now becoming an area where customers are saying the same thing. They want choice. They want the cloud that's going to provide great support for NVIDIA chips, and that's AWS. We're the very best place to run NVIDIA workloads on GPUs. But they also want options. And Trainium is our chip for that. And we're seeing great adoption for Trainium. In fact, we have customers across all sorts that are moving to Trainium, where you think about Frontier Labs, OpenAI is using Trainium, Anthropic is using Trainium. You have enterprises like Pinterest and Uber who are using Trainium. You have startups, folks like Neurorobotics or Odyssey, that are all using Trainium to drive their next generation AI workloads. And all of our broad sets of customers that are using many of these models on Bedrock are using them. It's really driving the business. It's already a $25 billion business for us and growing really, really rapidly.
Well, so rapidly that I have to ask you, Matt, and listen, Andy Jassy makes the final decision, and I'm sure so do some of the board members who have to approve it. But at what point do you think about AWS becoming so massive that Amazon spins it off?
Well, look, I think AWS is a great business, and we love the retail parts of the business. And so, I won't speculate on spinning it out. I think we love being part of Amazon. I think we get a lot of benefits from being part of Amazon. We get a great customer that we get to learn from internally, and actually, it really drives a lot of the business where we can actually learn from the other parts of Amazon that use our services to make them better. So I think we get a lot of benefits as being part of Amazon, as having that customer internally that can help us make our services better for everyone.
Yeah, I know it's great to be part of the mothership, but I mean, when I see net sales up 37%, fastest growth in 18 quarters, just gets bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Matt, come back. Thanks so much. We'll follow it.